So I bought a Maverick 88.
Back at the range today. Last time I was out here, my Sig Romeo was a little bit loose and they replaced it with a brand new one. Sighting it in today, but I've got something to show everyone today. This is called the brass goat. It's detachable. When you attach it to your AR, it will catch all the brass. Now I'm going to show everyone how it works. Just clamps onto the side of your MAGWELL. Now we're going to run a few rounds through it and see how it does.
That's the four. That's four I got.
Yours. Which one are you shooting at?
I'm at the
You're at 9, right?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. So that is.
Should be 4.
There's only one.
Okay.
On the other target.
That's all. Yeah. Because his didn't go down at all. So I just put that.
Now I'm going to show everyone just how good it works.
Okay, I'm not going to mess with these, but I got this one.
When they are hot, this will keep the brass from flying everywhere. Go to the Brass Goat website, order you one today, visit his Facebook page, visit the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Make sure you subscribe to the Bearded Sharpener YouTube channel, hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and share it with all your friends. Till next time.